Welcome, in front of me is an Honor 70 and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the language selection screen like you see the one right here. And I'll be using English, so I don't need to find any other language, but obviously if you plan to use a different one, just scroll down the list and tap on the one that you want to utilize. And there we can go to the next page and choose our region. Then we have some terms of service. We do need to agree to, I believe, both of them. Oh no, just this one. And from there, we can insert our SIM card. Now this step is optional, so you don't have to do it. You can skip it right over here. But if you choose to skip SIM card and also choose to skip Wi-Fi connection, then your device will have no connection to internet, and that will then result in you not having the option to log into Google account throughout the setup process. And additionally, date and time will not be set automatically. So I'll be skipping both of them. As you can see, there's the Wi-Fi connection. So, like I said, the date and time won't be set automatically, so I can fix it up if it's incorrect. And then moving on to the next page, we should have some Google services like you see right here. And we have 3 different services: location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't like some of them, you can turn them off, just flipping the switch, and then go all the way down, select accept to go to the next page, which tells me couldn't connect. Try again using another network. If you connect, skip for now. I guess it's checking for updates. So I'm gonna select skip. We have data and privacy. It's a bold kind of word to use on a Chinese phone, but okay. Device protection. Here we have an option to set up a screen lock along with fingerprint and face recognition. You can set up all of them, or if you're planning to use like 1 or 2, you always will have to select a pattern, or not pattern, but screen lock, meaning PIN, password, or pattern. And you can also choose either face recognition or fingerprint if you want to. But if you're planning to utilize any of the 2 first ones, you are always going to need to use a screen lock. And the reason for that is if something would happen to your fingerprint or your face, you would just lose an access to your device. And thus, this leaves you the option to set up a PIN, pattern, or password. And obviously, if you don't want to use any of them, which is completely fair, you can select next and skip setting up a password. Now this will then give us some enhanced services. So you can obviously enable all services, set up enhanced services so you can choose them, or select no thanks if you don't give a single hoots about it. From there we have user experience program improvements. Again, you can read exactly what these are by selecting the blue text right here, but personally I'm just going to select later. Then location services, again later. Keep your software up to date. Here comes the little twister right here, because where would you have the option to not enable it? It's going to be right here in the blue text and between like the actual description. So we can obviously tap on enable and continue, or if you don't want to enable it, you'll press right here and select don't enable. Then it gives us a guide on gesture navigation. For some reason it forces us to like try them out. They've been out for some decent time, like 5 years now. We don't need to try them. We already all know how they work. So I'm just gonna close this and then select finish. And obviously there was also an option to change navigation somewhere like right here if you prefer to use the buttons. But afterwards you'll be presented with the home screen, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.